Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new custom features to Eloqua in minutes, and specifically I'm going to use the custom action, to call an external API and get some values back. So you connect your custom action on your campaign or program canvas just like any other action, but what happens next is very different. So I'm just going to launch the tool. And it's going to say, do I want to reuse an existing action or create something new? I'm going to hit create new, and I'm just going to call it AI demo. I'm going to choose the get API template. So this does two things. Firstly, as you can see, it gives us a code editor. And secondly, you can see it gives us this sample code. Now, to make an API integration, we only actually have to change two lines here. We're going to change the URL, and we're going to say that something from that needs to be saved back to Eloqua. So the URL that I'm using is actually a service from IBM, and this is really cool. It takes a website and it tries to categorize the industry of that website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the email address domain of our contacts. So if we don't have industry data, we can kind of get it from this service. So here's the URL of the IBM service, and I'm just also going to pass in the contact's email address domain. And you see the autocomplete there. It knows all the fields you have in your Eloqua database. In terms of sending the value back to Eloqua, I'm just going to map the industry field to be updated by the categories. This is just what the API returns. And then one last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to settings, and I'm going to make sure the email address domain field is available. And hopefully when I hit test, we're going to see a green bar down here. Okay, so just like that, our action works, and we can see not only did the test run successfully, but we can see that this field in Eloqua would be updated with this value. So great in theory. Let's see if it works for real. So I'm just going to save and activate. Okay, so that ran successfully, and we can see that the industry was indeed updated as we expected. And just by the way, this is really not a bad guess. Definitely justaddfeatures.com is technology and computing and enterprise technology. And then if you don't have a specific Eloqua extension category, I think CRM is pretty close. So editing two lines of code, we've created this whole new action that can integrate with an API, does fantastic artificial intelligence stuff. Yeah, really excited to see what you build. And just one other note is, if you don't know how to code, we can help you. As you can see, it's not that much work to actually do the customization here. Justaddfeatures.com to get your hands on this.